By 2050, the battlefield could look nothing like what we know today. Imagine soldiers enhanced with exoskeletons, drones that think for themselves, and robots that fight alongside, or even instead of, humans. This is not just science fiction anymore. So, how close are we to a future where warfare is dominated by machines and biologically enhanced super soldiers? 1. The rise of the super soldier. Modern warfare demands more speed, strength, and endurance than ever before. That's where super soldiers come in. Countries like the US, China, and Russia are already investing in wearable technologies like exoskeletons to enhance soldier performance. These suits can increase lifting capacity, reduce fatigue, and even improve running speed. Combine that with advanced vision systems, night vision, real-time threat detection, and biometric sensors, and you're looking at the next generation of warriors, faster, smarter, and harder to kill. But that's just the beginning. Brain-computer interfaces may allow soldiers to control drones or weapons just by thinking. Genetic engineering and neural implants could even improve reaction times and memory retention. 2. Autonomous drones and combat robots. Unmanned systems are already transforming military strategy. In the near future, swarms of autonomous drones could scout battlefields, attack enemy units, or even disable infrastructure with pinpoint accuracy. Imagine a single operator deploying 100 AI-controlled mini-drones into a war zone. These machines could communicate, adapt, and act independently to achieve mission objectives, faster than any human team. Land-based autonomous systems, like robotic tanks or sentry bots, are being tested for combat use. These machines can navigate terrain, recognize targets, and make tactical decisions with minimal human input. But here comes the ethical dilemma: should machines have the power to decide who lives and who dies? 3. Artificial intelligence and military command. AI won't just fight wars, it might plan them. Advanced AI systems are already being used to simulate battle scenarios, analyze real-time data, and suggest optimal strategies. In the future, AI may assist commanders in decision-making or even fully automate battlefield control. This could drastically reduce human error but raises major concerns about accountability. Who is responsible when an AI makes a mistake that leads to casualties? 4. Cyber warfare and digital defense. The battlefield isn't only physical. As technology evolves, digital warfare becomes increasingly critical. AI-powered systems are used to detect and prevent cyber attacks in real time. Military AI can now launch counter-hacks, jam communications, or disable enemy satellites. The next major war might not start with missiles, but with lines of code. 5. The ethics and risks of tech-driven warfare. What happens when one country develops powerful autonomous weapons that others can't match? Will AI warfare increase global instability? Or could it make wars more precise and less deadly? There's also the risk of rogue AI systems, accidental escalations, or even hacked robots. If machines control warfare, can humanity control the machines? Conclusion. The future of military technology is both exciting and terrifying. Super soldiers, autonomous weapons, and AI-driven warfare are no longer just theoretical, they're under development now. As the line between science fiction and reality blurs, one thing is clear: the battlefield of tomorrow will be unlike anything we've seen before. So, what do you think? Will advanced military technology make the world safer, or more dangerous? Let us know in the comments.